It's the new Saw. Saw the bird. We saw the bird. The epic movie Saw that no one cares about. Unless I do.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no! It Saw the bird. He is coming towards us with max power. What shall we ever do? What? What shall we do?
Try to kill it.
Boy, if you don't get that out of here. Yes, because my boy Marco here is using the power of music.
Yes.
Why?
Power of music.
Why though? Oh wait, I could actually do a Mario Kart 8 video. It's just gonna be really bad. His family has come! The Saw family has now come! Oh my goodness! What is this bird doing?
I feel like they're gonna attack us.
How and why? We didn't do anything to them. But still, why are they even here?
I'm recording some guy recording.
Don't you record some guy recording? You record some guy recording. Yeah, record that guy recording.
Recording the birds. They were trying to chase us.
So this is so I'm part 1 and you're part 2. I don't know. I just clicked on the record button on accident.
There's